All right, today you're going to learn the third method for systems of equations, and it's called elimination. All right, hey guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at elimination. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can eliminate my x's or my y's. Well, 10x and 9x, they're not opposite, so I can't eliminate them. But look here, I have negative 6y and positive 6y. Those are opposites, so I can eliminate them. Now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to combine them. So 10x, and this is technically plus 9x, so that's a positive, which is 19x equals, well, negative 2 plus 21 is 19. I'm going to divide both sides by 19, and now x is equal to 1. Now that I know my x value is 1, I can take that and I can plug it into either equation or substitute it into either equation. Let's do that over here. So 9 times 1 plus 6y equals 21. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 6y equals 21. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. 6y equals 12. Divide by 6, and x is equal to 2. So now I have my x value. So my final answer, I'm going to do x comma y. X is equal to 2. I'm sorry. That was supposed to be y. X is equal to 1, and y is equal to 2. If you need some help, come and see me. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to see when they don't eliminate right away. If I look at my x's, I have 4x and 4x, and they're not going to cancel out because they're not opposites. If I look at my y's, negative 4y and negative 3y, they're also not opposites, so they're not going to eliminate. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make either my x's or my y's eliminate by multiplying by something. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by negative 1. And the reason I'm going to do that is because then the x's will be able to eliminate. I'll have 4x and a negative 4x, which is going to make them eliminate. So as you see right now, I'm going to multiply negative 1 to everything. So negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. Negative 1 times negative 4y is a positive 4y. And negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Then I'm just going to rewrite my first one. And check that out. My x's are now going to eliminate. Now I just need to solve the rest. It says 4y minus 3y, which is y, equals, and then negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. Now I have my y value. Now I can substitute negative 9 in for y into either equation. I'm just going to do the second equation. That's going to get me 4x minus 3 times negative 9 equals negative 5. Now I'm just going to solve this. Negative 9 times negative 3. So now I have 4x plus 27 equals negative 5. I'm going to minus 27 from both sides. Now I have 4x equals negative 32. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And x equals negative 8. Now my final answer, I have an x value and I have a y value. So now I can create my ordered pair, which is negative 8, negative 9. All right, so now what we're doing is elimination when you need to multiply by the opposite. So as you can see here, I can either get rid of my x's or I can get rid of my y's. It doesn't matter. For this example, I'm going to choose just to get rid of my y's. So I have a 3y here, so the opposite of 3y would be negative 3y. So to get this top one to be the opposite, I have to multiply everything by 3. When I do that, I'm going to have a new equation on the top, which is now going to be 3x, because 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y equals 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm just going to rewrite the bottom equation. And check that out. Now my y's are set up for me to cancel out. I'm going to cancel those out because negative 3y plus y cancels out. Now, 3x minus 4x is negative 1x equals 8. And then I'm going to just divide both by negative 1. Now x equals negative 8. Now I have my x value. I need to take that and I need to plug it in for x into either equation. I'm going to plug it in to the first equation, but you could plug it into the second equation. It doesn't matter. So now I'm going to write 8 minus y equals 1. I'm going to minus 8 from both sides. Negative 1y equals negative 7. Divide both by negative 1. Now y equals 7. Great. Now I have my x value and my y value. Now I can write my ordered pair, having my x value come first, and then my y value coming second. Negative 8, 7. Come and see me if you need help with any of this.